Hi guys, so today we are going to see the temperature difference between normal PLA, white painted PLA and white painted PLA with epoxy. So the test consists in a box printed in PLA in front of a heat blower with a distance of 5 centimeters. Then the heat is measured using a thermal camera. With a normal box PLA, the heat was so high that the box starts to melt. So now we start the test with a white painted PLA box, and as you can see, the temperature was even higher, but the initial temperature was higher too, so the difference temperature, that is what matters, was lower. Now I apply the epoxy on the box. I just apply epoxy on the front side of the box because it's what it matters, and then I saw the results. This is a table with the temperature differences. As you can see, the PLA with white box and epoxy has the lower temperature difference, so it was better. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you on the next video.